Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your Gorilla Mind subscription. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you need to visit on the official website gorillamind.com, and once you visit on the official website you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account you need to tap on your profile icon. You will see these kind of options. You need to click on subscription. There are lots of options. You need to select subscription option, and once you click on subscription you will see all your active subscriptions, and you can select the product, which product you want to cancel. Just simply hit on the arrow button and it will pop up a new window. On the window you can pause and you can cancel your subscription by following the on screen instructions. Okay, or you can also add some product on this screen, or you can also cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, so there are, so you can all the options is available. Now if you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. If you are facing any issue you can also contact with their customer support by dialing their phone number or by using their chat option. And when you making a request to cancel your subscription, you just need to simply ask a proof of cancellation also on your email. If you don't get any kind of proof of cancellation, then they may be charged on your account, and if you don't have any proof then you are not able to claim any kind of, you can rewards or refunds. Okay, so these are the things. Now if you have any questions please make a comment, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.